Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Steam country on your profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Friends tab, and then select where it says Edit Profile Name / Avatar. You want to scroll to the bottom of this page or close to the bottom where it says country and there's a little question mark here. So choosing your location is a great way to connect with other local players, groups, and friends. Click on the drop down here and then you would select your country from the list and then you would select save at the bottom once you've made your selection, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.